Okay, so I am downtown. I am here. I'm going to an event with Revlon. We're going to Her Majesty's Pleasure, which is like a really bougie nail salon. So let's just do it. All right, let's go. Oh, that's something my grandma used to wear. This color? She always wore a color like that. So basically, this is hilarious. When I walked into Her Majesty's Pleasure, they did my hair, and in my hair I had a rubber band, and not like the real rubber bands you're supposed to put in your hair. Like I had like a produce section that holds celery together rubber band in my hair. And the main stylist, she actually like looked over at me and her mouth legit dropped. Like I'm dying thinking about it because her face was like she was just floored that I had a rubber band in my hair. But let me tell you something, that rubber band holds your hair. And when I pulled it out, it didn't even pull hair out. So it was a bougie ass celery band, okay? So they do work, but I don't suggest using them. And I'm 30 years old, okay? Yes, I'm proud of it. 30 and proud. But look at this, I got my first gel manicure. First one in my whole entire life by C&D Nail Shellac. I'm so excited. I've never had shellac on my nails, so I'm really excited. And they gave me some gifts, which I will unbox when I get home, so let's do it. Okay, all right. Now we're gonna go sit in Toronto traffic, and I just can't wait. That's gonna be so much fun. And honestly, it is so hot. I cannot believe how hot it is here. Oh, and I just blocked the sidewalk. Oh, see, this is why. This is why I don't do Toronto. This is very bad. Like, I'm sweating. People are looking at me funny. I'm blocking the bike lane. Oh my God, just get me home. I think someone just yelled at me. Guys, my anxiety right now is a 10. This is why I hate coming to events, because they're always in Toronto, which is really nice. They're really fancy. I love coming to them. But unfortunately, driving down here is like a nightmare for me. It's a nightmare, okay? I'm not cut out for Toronto living. I live like right by the lake in this nice quiet community. No idea what's happening right now. I have no idea where I'm going. Loving my life. Yes, I'm loving my life. I'm loving my hair. It's so profesh. They also gave me this cute little macaron from Nage. I know that's like a really French fancy place that does macarons. Macaron, I don't know. But anyways, this is pretty bougie. It says C&D on one and Revlon on the other. A little road snack, never hurt no one. Got on my pants. Oh my God, tastes like white cake. Who doesn't like white cake? I gotta get over this lane. This banana, I'm in the wrong lane. I think I have to shut this down now, okay? See you at home. Okay, so this is the collection that came in the bag. So this is every single color. I'm so grateful. It's so nice of them in the collection. This is their top coat here. But all these shades here are the new collection. I got this shade here. I'm absolutely loving this shade. It's so pretty. It's so shiny. So this shade is called Dreamcatcher. It's really pretty. I was between this one here, and then I couldn't decide between this one. But then every single person was doing this one, so I wanted to be a little different.
Baby.
Oh, he's so cute.
Okay.
Oh, what is he doing? Does he have eggs in there? How do you know?
He just pooped on the grass.
Oh, he pooped. He's so cute. Okay, back to my haul. My camera is dying, but before it dies, let's look at the Revlon Professional. Woo! So all these products in here are salon grade. You can only buy them at salons. You cannot get them just at a drugstore. This is the Style Master Orbitable Flexible Curl Activator and Moisturizer. Apparently this is amazing for curly hair. Then I got the Amplifying Mousse, which I'm so excited to try because I'm always looking for an amplifying mousse because Living Proof let me down. And then we have this guy. This is the modular medium hold hairspray, and everyone loves a hairspray, okay? And my hair is just looking fabulous. So, I'm so excited to try these out. And basically, this will be my vlog. This will be it. I hope you guys did enjoy.